Unraveling the First Wave, a dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, first wave. You might have heard it in history classes, news reports, or even in conversations about trends. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break down the context, usage, and significance of this interesting expression. When we think of a wave, we might picture the ocean. Waves come one after another, and the first wave refers to the very first one that hits the shore. In a literal sense, it's the beginning of a series of waves. But like many English phrases, first wave has taken on more abstract meanings as well. The term, first wave, is often used in a historical context. For instance, when we talk about the first wave of feminism, we are referring to the early period of feminist activism that occurred mainly in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. This usage signifies the beginning or first phase of a movement or ideology. In modern times, you might hear first wave in the context of pandemics. For example, the first wave of a virus refers to the initial period when the virus starts spreading. Similarly, in business or technology, a first wave can mean the initial surge of a new product or innovation entering the market. Let's see how to use first wave in a sentence. The first wave of immigrants brought a rich cultural influence. Her music was ahead of its time, leading the first wave of the genre. We're preparing for the first wave of holiday shoppers. Notice how first wave sets the stage for a discussion about beginnings and initial impacts. Beyond its literal and historical uses, first wave can also have a symbolic meaning, emphasizing the significance of a groundbreaking event or trend. It carries the connotation that there will be more to follow and that the first is merely a precursor to more extensive developments. I hope this video helps you understand the varied uses of first wave in English. Whether it's the start of a social movement or the initial outbreak of a disease, first wave is a phrase that denotes the start of something much larger. Remember, learning a language is like riding the waves. It's all about catching on to the next one. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.